Hi everyone, I am Ashik Ahmed from Clarkson University. Today I'll be presenting our work on exploring the spectrum between human and bot editing using Wikipedia metadata. This is joint work with my co-author Max Wang and our advisor Professor Jeanna Matthews. Wikipedia increasingly blends human judgment and automated and semi-automated tools, challenging simple binary human versus bot distinctions. We examine whether Wikipedia's special text metadata can capture the complexity of the spectrum between human editing and bot editing. Our goal is to see if we can see Wikipedia's metadata infrastructure to reveal a continuum of editorial agency from fully human to fully bot edits. Our findings suggest that metadata provide a transparent way to study hybrid authorship and the evolving role of automation in collaborative knowledge production. So, Wikipedia is often described as a collaboratively authored encyclopedia maintained by human volunteers and automated bots. But Wikipedia editing doesn't fit neatly into the binary of either all human or all bot editing. A growing number of edits are produced through semi automated tools, assisted editing in interfaces, and scripted workflows that combine human decision making with machine execution. So we investigate the special tag systems which attach labels to revisions and signals which editing tools in interfaces or automated processes were involved in a revision. We investigate whether this metadata infrastructure can reveal a nuanced spectrum of hybrid authorship that captures varying degree of editorial agency.
We qualitatively examined tag definitions using available documentation. We focused on tags related to editing actions rather than purely administrative events, such as tracking, quote, newcomer edits, filtering out tags that we thought were not relevant to the spectrum. We reviewed tag descriptions, their intended use, and associated tooling. We categorized tags based on the types of user accounts behind them, human or bot, as well as the degree of automation involved. Is it fully manual, semi-automated, or fully automated execution? We also looked at revision level metadata to track tag usage over time and observe cases where multiple tags are applied to a single revision. Some tags clearly indicate fully automated actions performed by bot accounts, such as routine maintenance or policy enforcement tasks. At the opposite end of the spectrum, some tags correspond to fully manual edits made through standard editing interfaces. However, a large portion of commonly used tags fall between these extremes. We also find that tag usage does not always align cleanly with assumptions about the level of editorial agency based on tag descriptions. In several cases, tags categorized as bot only are first used by human editors operating tools manually, while some tags labeled as hybrid are disproportionately associated with high volume, automation heavy editing. Wikipedia content is widely used for research and education and as training data for machine learning systems. A more nuanced understanding of editorial agency can support better dataset documentation, improved transparency, and more responsible downstream use. From a community perspective, clearer representations of automation may also help maintain trust. Readers and editors alike benefit from understanding how content is created, especially as automation tools become more prevalent and generative AI editing remains largely untracked. We do not treat this taxonomy as a precise classifier of editorial agency. Rather, we interpret tags as directional signals, imperfect but transparent indicators that, taken together, reveal patterns of automation that would otherwise be invisible. Future work should focus on improving the reliability of this infrastructure before it can be used for high-stakes attribution purposes. By trying to use Wikipedia's metadata as indicators along a continuum of editorial agency, we gain a more realistic understanding of hybrid authorship and collaborative knowledge production. But our work has also shown weaknesses in the current tagging infrastructure and points to ways in which we can improve it, such as by adding new tags to address AI-assisted tooling and improving documentation of existing tags, so we can continue to better understand the promises and weaknesses of the current metadata infrastructure. Thank you very much for attending our presentation today. We're happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you again.